Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Have you noticed that getting up from a chair feels more challenging than it used to? Maybe climbing stairs leaves your legs feeling tired, or your knees seem less stable after you've been sitting for a while. If so, you're not alone. Many adults over 60 assume these changes are simply part of getting older. But in many cases, the issue isn't just age itself. Over time, the muscles that support and protect your knees and hips can become less active, especially after years of reduced movement, stiffness, or discomfort. When those muscles aren't doing their job effectively, your joints may end up handling more stress than they should. The result? Legs that feel weak, stiff, heavy, or unsteady, even after a good night's rest. The encouraging news is that there are simple ways to help reactivate these important muscles. In today's Health Fact 10M video, we'll go through 3 beginner-friendly exercises designed to support knee strength, improve stability, and help you move with greater confidence. Let's get started. Exercise number 1. Seated knee extension hold. This first exercise is simple, but don't underestimate its value. One of the most important muscles for knee support is the quadriceps, located at the front of your thigh. As we age, this muscle can gradually lose strength and responsiveness, especially if we've become less active. If your knees feel shaky when you first stand up, or if it takes a moment before your legs feel steady, weak quadriceps may be contributing to the problem. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Slowly extend one leg forward until it's nearly straight. Your heel may lightly touch the floor while your toes point upward. Now gently tighten the muscles at the front of your thigh. Focus on squeezing the muscle rather than forcing the knee joint. Hold the contraction for about 5 seconds. Then slowly relax and return to the starting position. Remember to breathe normally throughout the exercise. Many people unintentionally hold their breath when concentrating on muscle activation. Why does this matter? The quadriceps act like a support system for the knee. When these muscles engage properly, they help stabilize the joint and reduce some of the stress placed on the knee during daily activities. Perform 10 slow repetitions on each leg. Avoid rushing or lifting the leg excessively high. Gentle, controlled movement is often more effective than forceful effort. Even a small muscle contraction can help improve muscle awareness and encourage healthy circulation in the area. And there's another important benefit. When your knees feel more reliable, everyday activities become less intimidating. Walking, standing, and navigating stairs can begin to feel more manageable over time. Before we continue, let me know in the comments, how old are you, and what bothers you most, knee stiffness, weakness, or instability? I enjoy reading your experiences because they help me understand what our Health Fact 10M community is dealing with. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Chair sit to stand. For many older adults, standing up is often more challenging than walking. Getting off the couch, rising from the dinner table, or standing up after sitting for an extended period can feel surprisingly difficult. That's because the muscles responsible for moving between sitting and standing positions tend to weaken if they aren't used regularly. This exercise trains exactly that movement. Sit near the edge of a sturdy chair with your feet about hip-width apart. Position your feet slightly underneath your knees. Lean forward slightly from your hips so your upper body shifts over your feet. Now press through your heels and slowly stand up. At the top, pause briefly. Then lower yourself back into the chair with control. Try not to drop down quickly. The lowering phase is where your muscles work especially hard to build strength and control. Exhale as you stand. Inhale as you sit back down. You should feel the effort in your thighs, hips, and glute muscles. One common mistake is relying on momentum by rocking forward aggressively. Instead, focus on smooth, controlled movement. If this exercise feels difficult, place a cushion on the chair to raise the seat height. You may also lightly use the armrests for support if needed. And if your legs shake a little, don't be discouraged. That can simply be a sign that muscles are being challenged and re-engaged. With consistent practice, many people notice standing up becomes smoother, easier, and less exhausting. Now let's move to our final exercise. Exercise number 3. Supported mini squat. As confidence in the knees decreases, many people unknowingly stop bending as much as they once did. Simple tasks like reaching into a cabinet, getting into a car, or picking up an object from the floor may start to feel uncomfortable. This exercise helps retrain the body for those everyday movements. Stand facing a kitchen counter or sturdy table. Place your hands lightly on the surface for balance. Position your feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted and your posture relaxed. Slowly bend your knees a few inches while pushing your hips back slightly, as if preparing to sit in a chair. This is a mini squat, not a deep squat. Pause briefly at the bottom. Then slowly push through your heels and return to standing. Breathe in as you lower down. Breathe out as you rise. Move slowly and stay in control. Why is slow movement important? Your body relies on balance and position sensors within the joints and muscles. Practicing controlled movement can help these systems stay active and responsive. If your knees feel sensitive, simply reduce the depth of the squat. Even a small range of motion can be beneficial. One important tip: avoid shifting all your weight onto your toes. Keeping your weight balanced through your heels can help reduce unnecessary pressure on the knees. Think of your legs as natural shock absorbers. The goal is to help them work together efficiently again. Over time, this exercise may help make bending, standing, and everyday movement feel more comfortable and natural. Final thoughts. If your knees feel weaker than they used to, don't assume it's simply because you're getting older. In many cases, the muscles surrounding the knees and hips have become less active and need gentle retraining. The good news is that small, consistent efforts can make a meaningful difference. You don't need intense workouts or complicated equipment. Simple movements performed regularly can help support muscle strength, balance, coordination, and overall confidence. Start where you are. Even one exercise a day is a positive step forward. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which exercise felt most helpful today? The seated knee extension hold, the chair sit to stand, or the supported mini squat? And what daily activity challenges you the most right now? Climbing stairs? Standing up? Getting out of bed? Bending down? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could encourage someone else who is working toward moving more comfortably and confidently.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.